Sarmuham here. So today we are going to discuss about object property types. Okay. So what is an object property? First thing. First I will declare an object here. Const person equal to, so pair of curly braces here, and then yes name. I will give John as a value, and then name here, and then I will give to as a value. In this person object, this f name and l name, these two are the property. And then what about the method? I will give full name, and then I will give a function. I don't need this name, and then I don't need the parameter as well. So here I will return this dot f name plus, and then I will use space here, and then this, okay, this dot l name. So this function, so we have used this function, right? So this full name, this is a method. Today we are going to discuss about the property data types. So I will delete this full name here. JavaScript specifies the characteristics of the object properties through internal attributes. Normally objects have two types of property. One is like data properties, and another one is accessor properties. First we will discuss about the data properties, then we can proceed for accessor property. We can discuss about data property here. Data property, normally it is a single location for the data value. So normally it has four attributes. First one is configurable, and then enumerable, and then writable, and then value. So these are the four attributes configured with this data property. What this configurable will do? So configurable is used to check whether we can able to delete this property or not. Able to delete property from object or not. Next one is enumerable. So enumerable is used to check whether we can able to iterate or loop the property or not. Iterate or loop the property or not. Next one is writable. So writable is used to check whether we can able to edit the property value or not. Able to edit the property value or not. This value is an actual value of the property. Actual value of the property. These are the four attributes, and then their usage. So normally whenever we declare a property inside the object, this configurable, enumerable, writable, right, this holds a default value. These default values are nothing but, for a configurable it is true, and then for enumerable it is true, and then for writable it is also true, and then for value it is undefined. These are the default value for these four attributes. I have one question. Okay, these four attributes are configured with the data properties, so the property is already associated with the object. How we can see this configurable, enumerable, writable and value attributes? How we can see this one? Actually in JavaScript object already there is an inbuilt method like get own property descriptor. Object method is get own property descriptor. So this get own property descriptor method is used to get this configurable, enumerable, writable and value attributes and their respected values. Normally this get own property descriptor accepts two parameters. The first parameter is a object name and the second parameter is a property name. Here the property name means f name here. So actually it produces some output. For that I have to store it is in separate variable. I will store it is in result equal to, and then I will simply use log here. Okay, before that I will command these lines. So these are the descriptions, and then I will use a result here. Now see here, node and then object. That's it, I think. I am getting value as a John and writable is a true. This 2 is a default value and enumerable is equal to true and configurable is also equal to true. So this is the way we can get these 4 attributes. Whenever we declare the object in a normal way, so automatically these 4 attributes are come and configured with the default value. Is it possible to change the default value? In my case, configurable and enumerable writable, right? So I want to change the value for these things to false, any one of the values to the false. Yes, that is also possible. How we can do that one? In JavaScript object, there is a one inbuilt method is there. The method name is like define property. So by using that inbuilt method, we can change this attributes value. So before that, I will command these lines, and then I will use that one object dot define property. Define property here. Normally it accepts 3 parameters. The first parameter is a person, I mean the object name. Second parameter is a property name. Here I am giving age, and third parameter is nothing but it is an object. Inside that we can give our attributes and their value. I will give here configurable equal to true, and then enumerable equal to true, and then writable equal to true, and then value equal to, I am just giving 30 here. This is another way we can declare an object property. Okay, so here whether we can check is it possible to edit, delete, update this age property or not. First I will check whether it is printing or not. So I will use console.log person.age. That's it. So I will print here. See here the value is coming as 30. Okay, so is it possible to change the value? We can check person.age equal to, I will give 50 here. Check whether it is able to. Yeah, it is edited. In my case, I don't want to edit this age property value, but we can do here. So we can do like, if we change this writable value as false, so that we can't be able to edit this value. See here, see, I have in the line number 21 I have given this age value as 50, but here, see here, it is simply stamping as 30. So this is the way we can able to prevent from editing. I will simply change back to true, and then here I will command this line. Now I will delete that one. I will delete the age property. Person.age. I will see. Yeah. See here, it is giving us undefined, so it is deleted. Okay. In my case, I don't want to delete this property. What we can do for that one? So see here, in this configurable value, simply I will change to false. That's it. See here, I have changed this configurable value to false, and then I have used this delete keyword, but it is not deleted. Configurable is used to prevent from deleting the property. And then what about the enumerable? Before going deep into the enumerable, first thing, how we can hydrate the object. So for that I will use for in method. In this for in, I will simply delete these things. Here I will give the object name. Here the object name is person, and then here we can use the key. I will simply log that one, console.log. So I will use backticks here, and then key hyphen and then other their respected value. Person square bracket key. That's it. We can check whether it is hydrated or not. See here. See here, it is coming. F name John, L name Doe, and age is 30. These three properties are coming here. Okay, so before that I will command these lines. Okay, so this is the way we can hydrate the object property. Okay, in my case I don't want to hydrate the property. What we can do here? So here in my case, simply I can change this true or enumerable value true into false. That's it. See here, if I iterate, F name and L name is coming, but age is not coming. These are the usages of data properties. Next we will discuss about the accessor property. This accessor property, similar to the data property, this accessor property will also have that 4 attributes, namely configurable, and enumerable. But instead of writable and value, it has two, like get for getters and set for setters. This getter is nothing but it is similar to the value in data property, and then this setter is similar to the writable. But in this case, whenever we declare an object with the property, the data property and their attributes are coming to the picture and configured with the property. But in this case, this accessor property, we have to declare through define property, then only this accessor property are configured. Before that I will command all the lines. I will command this as well, and then I will command this as well, or else I will copy this line and paste it here, and I will command this line, and I will uncomment this line. Okay, how we can access this accessor property? First thing, I will use like define property here, and then it accepts 3 parameters, right? The first one is person, and the second one is a property name. Here I will give full name, and the third parameter is an object. So in this object, we already know that configurable is used to prevent from deleting, and enumerable is used to prevent from hydrate and looping. So here we have to discuss about getters and setter. First thing, I will use get. Get is a function, so I don't need the name here and then parameter. Simply I will return this dot f name plus, I will give space here, and then this dot l name. Yeah, this is a get attribute. And what about set attribute? Same like that. Set, I will use function. For setters, we need one parameter to be passed, so I will delete this name. So I have to pass a parameter here. I will get it as value, and then I will store it in any other place, like I will name it as name, and then I will split this value by space, value dot split by space, and then I have to give the validation if name dot length equal to 2, then only I will assign this value. This dot f name equal to name of first fragment. This dot name equal to name of second fragment. That's it. Else condition, else throw error. Name should be separated by space. So this is a way we can define the accessor property. We can check whether it is working or not. See here, I will use log person dot full name. I will use here. See here, it is coming. Chan.do is coming, right? If I will assign any value, for example, before that I will assign here itself person dot full name equal to Shan name. What it will give? See here, it will throw an error. See, throw an error. Name should be separated by space. If I will give space in between these two words, see here, yeah, this is working fine. It automatically assigns this Shan to the F name and Mugam to the L name. That's it. Okay, I have one question here. Previously we have one inbuilt method, this define property, right? See here, this define property simply declared only one property at a time. Okay, is it possible to declare multiple properties at a single shot? Yes, that is also possible. In JavaScript object, we normally have one method, inbuilt method is called define properties. In this define properties, we can simply declare multiple properties at a single shot. Before that, I will command these lines. And then simply I will declare your null object, and then I will use object dot define properties, this one. So it accepts only two parameters. The first parameter is a object name and the second parameter is a object. Inside that object we can give our property and their value, but value should be in a object. See here, f name and then the object. Inside the object we can give our attributes. For example, I will give value equal to here Shan, and then we can give configurable as well. Sorry, it is supposed to be here, and then true, and then next one I will declare like L name, and then an object. Here value is Morgan, and I will give enumerable is true here. That's it. And then next one is full name with getter, get function, and then here I no need name, and then I will simply return full name. This dot here name plus and then space plus this dot last your name. That's it. We can check whether it is working or not. See here, I will use log and then I will print first name. I will print the first name here, person dot left name. We can check whether it is working. See, Shan is coming. And now I am checking full name. Full name. See here, this is also working. So these are the object property, I mean the data properties and accessor properties, how it is configured with the object, and we have discussed about the attributes that is configured with the data property and accessor property and their differences. That's it. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share the link to your friends, and let's catch up the next one.